asthma and COPD heroes. Denise here, one of the respiratory therapists with Nightingale Virtual Respiratory Care. Today's tidbit on how to boost your immune system is on probiotics and supplements. Remember, always talk to your healthcare provider about the benefits of probiotics and supplements for you to be sure that they don't interfere with any of your medications. Also, there is no one magic bullet, no one magic herb or supplement that will prevent a virus from infecting you. Don't despair though. There is hope. Research has shown that there is a connection between your immune system and your gut. Your diet plays a large role in determining what kinds of microorganisms live in your intestines. Prebiotic foods are in a high-fiber, plant-rich diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes or beans. Probiotic foods contain live, helpful bacteria like yogurt and fermented foods. The combination of pre- and probiotics seem to support the growth and maintenance of beneficial microorganisms which are good for the immune system. Vitamins also help the immune system primarily in people that have deficiencies. For example, if you are low on vitamin D, you may benefit from a supplement. Talk to your healthcare provider about any vitamin deficiencies you might have. Remember also that vitamin supplements should not be a substitute for a good diet because there are no supplements that contain all the benefits of healthy foods. To wrap up, probiotics and supplements may be part of a healthy diet to help boost the immune system, but use them safely by talking with your healthcare provider.